1 in 4 children born in southern Arizona do not have access to enough diapers due to economic status. Food stamps can't be used to purchase them. Other social safety nets don't cover them. Imagine needing diapers, adult incontinence supplies, or period products, and not having access to them. What would you do? You could turn to your local diaper bank and the community of people who donate their time and resources to make sure that no one is ever in need of these essential supplies. The Diaper Bank is here to help families in need live a life of dignity. The mission of the Diaper Bank of Southern Arizona is to make diapers, period products, and incontinence supplies available during times of need through collaborative community partnerships that promote health, wellness, independence, and dignity. Coming at you.
Heads up.
Howdy-oo.
The work we do would not be possible without volunteers who donate their time and donors who provide us with all the resources that you see here.
Since the start of the coronavirus pandemic, we provided over 1.3 million diapers to families in southern Arizona.
The Diaper Bank here in southern Arizona is the nation's first diaper bank. As pioneers of this work, it is our vision to build communities where diapers, incontinence supplies, and period products are always available for those who need them. Here you go. I'm so happy we could help. Hi, how are you? It's good to see you.